Today, I'm at KW Surplus because I need to get some duct tape to achieve my plans for world domination. If you're looking for hobby electronic components, KW Surplus is a great place to find them. You can get Arduino shields, TTL adapters, breadboards, temperature probes, humidity and pressure sensors, relays, voltage sensors, photo sensors, jumper wires, current sensors, water valves, LCD displays, networking cables, security systems, and all sorts of other electronic components.
They also have tools, safety equipment, and of course duct tape, as well as a number of other items that would be useful for independent do-it-yourself types. Every time that I need some kind of obscure retail or hardware item, KW Surplus always seems to have it, and usually it's cheaper than I expected. If you're a mentally switched on person who knows what's coming, you'll find everything that you need at KW Surplus. KW Surplus is extremely difficult to find, but if you look carefully, you'll see a giant tank in front of the store.
Thanks, KW Surplus. With your help, I'll be able to take over the world no problem.